Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, press the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get the notification at first. So in this video, I will be sharing top 3 toners from Good Vibes that are worth buying. So without any further ado, let's tune into the video. So firstly, before jumping into any particular product, I want to just introduce toners to you guys, that why should we use toners. So firstly, toners help to balance the pH level of our skin that get disturbed when we wash our face. Yes, when we wash our face, our pH level of the skin decreases, and as we apply moisturizer over it, it just give us a very bad result and do not give us the required result of both the face wash and the moisturizer. So if you want to get a full-fledged result of both of it, we should use toner, and toner also help in minimizing your pores and tightening up your skin. So if your age is above 20, toner is a must-have product for you, but if you are a teenager, you can skip this product. So today I will be showing you Good Vibes top 3 toners that you can use in your daily life. So let's just start the video. So first in our list, I have Pomegranate Glow Toner from Good Vibes. It's really a very nice toner. If you want a fruity smell and a refreshing toner, you can definitely use this. This have a real flush of pomegranate that you can smell when you are applying it. And the main thing I like the spray is really very good. Means when you are spraying one pump, you can feel that your whole face will be spread evenly. And this is really a very good toner if you want a budget friendly toner. It's a 200 ml product for 225 rupees, and you can always get it on discount on Purple app. So this is a really yeah product from my side. This is really a very nice product, as you can feel that your skin have been tightened and the pores are being enclosed from the second use only, and that's the thing I really like. If you use it twice a day, it will give you a very good result in only 1 week. And if you take this bottle, that is a 200 ml bottle, you will end up using it for 2 to more than 2 months, and it's really a very affordable and very good product from. All this product in my list, I have tried and tested it for 2 months. You can see that I have used all the packaging and you can see nothing is left in it. So before giving review, I am using this for 2 to 3 months continuously and just showing you the result that I have got, and hope you will get a very nice result using this product too. Next upon my list, I have Mulberry Glow Toner, but unfortunately I am not getting the packaging. The packaging is same like this, but here it's written Mulberry, and here as the picture is given of pomegranate, that is of mulberry. So that is also a very nice toner if you want a brightened up, instant brightening up look. Yes, that gives really a very good result when you pair it up with any mulberry product of that range. Good Vibes also have launched a sleeping mask and a face wash, scrub and a gel also. You can pair it up with anyone. I personally have paired the mulberry toner with the mulberry face wash, and it have given miraculous result. It have literally fade away my acne scars and hyperpigmentation in just 3 to 4 times. And I just experimented that I only used the face wash for 3 days and only used the toner for 3 days, pairing up with any other toner and face wash, but they didn't give in much good result as it gave it pairing up both the product. So if you want that product, you can really go for it. So if you want a brightening up effect in your face, you can use the Mulberry Toner. Next upon my list, I have the Rose Glow Toner from Good Vibes. It is an overhyped product from Good Vibes, and the review of this I have already uploaded in my channel. I will leave the link of the video in the description box. You can definitely check it, and all the purchase links of this products will be in the description box. So please check it, and goodbye, stay safe, bye bye.